Isa ka bang retiree na gusto mong kumita pero hindi mo alam saan ka magsisimula? O pinaghahandaan mo na yung retirement mo, baka sinasabi mo mahirapan ka pagdating ng panahon. Kung ikaw to, I understand exactly how you feel. That's the reason why I want you to watch this video. Tune in, don't tune out.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Ching Kitan, also known as Mr. Ching Positive. Maraming salamat po sa pagsunod sa channel na ito. If you haven't really subscribed, please do click subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button. Isama na natin pati yung all. Pag may mga bagong videos ay mapapanood nyo po kaagad. First, just like to remind you, every Saturday po, meron po akong programa na tinatawag na Rocket Science. Kitang-kita ang kita sa Signal Channel 1 and then sa 1PH po, 11 AM. Kung gusto nyo matuto sa pagnenegosyo, ito ang programa para sa iyo. Okay, balikan na natin ang ating paksa. Kahit kayo ay retired na o nagpaplano kayo mag-retire, tatandaan nyo na habang buhay ay pwede pa rin tayo maging productive. Okay, it's not about the money, it's about productivity. Pero minsan, syempre pag nag-retire ka na, sanay ka na gumawa sa isang bagay na hindi mo na alam paano ka magta-transition on your next career. Kung kayo ay naguguluhan, ito na po ang pwede kong ibigay po sa inyo. 5 tips na pwede nyo pong gawin na pwede nyong pagkakitaan or if not naman, pwede nyong gawin in order for you to become more productive. Okay, number 1 tip ko po sa inyo is what? Start from your point of strength. So, ano bang alam mo? Anong lamang mo kaysa sa iba? Saan ka ba magaling? What have you been doing for the past decade of your life or half of your life already? Doon ka mag-uumpisa. Don't ever start something out of your weakness. Kung di mo talagang passion and strength ang magluto, huwag kang pumasok sa food business. Kung hindi mo passion and strength talaga naman yung magbenta, huwag kang pumunta sa sales. Kung anong alam mo, doon ka mag-stick. That's number 1. Number 2, after you have written that down, start with your passion. Start your passion project. Ano itong passion project? Marami tayong pwedeng passion project na pwede mo umpisan. Writing a book, helping others, tumulong, or pumunta ka sa ministry. I think this is the time for you to explore that. You know why? Kasi if you found something that you love to do in your life, even if people do not pay you, you're willing to do it for free. And malay mo, because you are good at what you're doing, that's your strength, and then that's your passion, ito pa yung pinaka-best part. People are willing to pay you. Diba? Because of your what? Expertise. And then, once na talagang naging expert ka, just like for me, my strength talaga is communication and my passion talaga is to help people to become wealthy and debt-free. Kaya, ngayon, number 3, ano mo pwede yung option na pwede nyo gawin pag kayo ay nag-retire na o nag-retire na kayo? Start your consultancy career. Kasi expert ka na, passion mo, magaling ka dyan, you can become right now a speaker, a coach, or a mentor to other young people or startup companies. Lalo na kung ikaw, business manager ka before, di ba? Pwede ka na magturo ngayon. Ita-transfer mo na yung expertise mo, magme-mentor ka ng ibang tao. And the good thing is this, since they're making profit out of your expertise, you can right now charge a professional fee. And then number 4, ang isa pang pwede mong gawin, once nag-retire ka o magpaplano ka mag-retire, start your own business. Chinky, tanda na ako, hindi ko na kaya. Ang dami na pong opportunities right now online. Online, pwede kang kumita. Online, pwede kang matuto. Pwede kang mag-online selling. Pwede kang mag-dropshipping. Pwede kang mag-affiliate marketing. There are tons of opportunities right now by using your computer right at the comfort of your home. Hindi ka nalalabas, kikita ka pa rin. And last but not the least, ito pa, number 5. Ang pwede mong gawin, start to make money work for you. Pagka syempre, nag-retire ka, may retirement fund ka, may pera ka. Alam mo gagawin sa pera, make money work for you. Alam mo isang tip ko sa inyo, you can invest in startups. Siguro may mga pamangkin ka o may mga kakilala ka, di ba, na gustong mag-umpisa pero walang puhunan. Like for example, baka yung mga pamangkin mo gusto nilang gumawa ng production company, video editing, graphics design, pero wala lang silang puhunan. So, ikaw bibili ng computer, ikaw magpumuhunan ng mga camera nila, tapos ikaw yung financial investor, angel investor. Sila naman ang equity partner. Pwede kayong maghati 70-30, 60-40, 50-50, depends. So, yan pwede mong gawin. Startup, number 2. Ang pwede mo rin gawin, personal lending. When you say personal lending, papautang mo yung pera mo. But make sure lang huwag mo ito todo. And then number 2, kung gusto mong pautang, dapat may kasalutan. Number 3, huwag kayong mag-charge ng mataas na interest. More or less, 5% per month. And then number 4, pinaka-safe, kumuha ka ng collateral. Huwag kang magpapautang na walang collateral. Mahirap po yan. Careful lang Or if not naman, ito yung pinaka-best. Diba, since retired ka na, learn how to invest. Invest para palaguin mo palalo ang pera mo. So my question to you is this. Gusto mo bang matuto mag-invest? Gusto mo bang matuto on how you can create a money machine? Do you want to learn how you can earn while you are sleeping? Lalo na sa mga retirees, ito lang ang pakiusap ko po sa inyo. Kung gusto nyo mag-start ng mga negosyo, dapat less stress. Less ang stress. Pag ang sagot nyo, Chinky, gusto ko yan. Yung kahit natutulog ako, kumikita ako, kung walang masyadong stress, and I want to create a money-making machine. If you're interested, you got to watch this. Stressful ba ang 2020 para sa iyo? Gusto mo bang mabago ang takbo ng inyong finances this 2021? Nako, good news! Nako, bakit? I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I know, I want you. Bakit po, my friends? First time in the history, two of the most in-demand inspiring speakers about money will come together for a day of motivation, hope building, and wealth creation. Presenting Bounce Back 2021, How to Create and Grow Your Money with Chinky Tan, yours truly, and guest speaker, Mr. Bo Sanchez. Grabe. So, mga kaiponaryo, mark this on your calendar. January 30 na po, 2021 from 2 p.m. Afternoon up to 7 p.m. 5 hours tayo magsama with Brother Bo via private group Facebook Live. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Enroll now for a limited time only. We're giving an early bird registration of 50% instead of 1,598. Ngayon po, it's only 799 only. So mga friendship, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below or click on the link on top or just type the word called BB. Bounce back yung ibig sabihin. BB, letter B right now in your comment box so that I can send you the link so that you can register. See you on Bounce Back 2021! This is Chinky Tan saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always think positive.
Hi, Chinky Tan. Congratulations, 1 million subscribers sa YouTube. Thank you for helping and redirecting the mindset of our people in savings and how to be practical sa pamumuhay, no? Yung mga binibigay na guidance at tips para sa ating mga kababayan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon ng pandemya na alam natin maraming nahihirapan nating mga kababayan. Again, congratulations and please keep safe. And to all your viewers, please mag-iingat kayo at kailangan yung pagmalasakitan ng inyong sarili, pangalagaan at ingatan para nyo na rin pinagmalasakitan ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay na naghihintay sa loob ng inyong kani-kaniyang tahanan. Please continue and I hope the next time na babatiin kita, 10 million subscriber na ang iyong YouTube channel. Keep safe. God bless you all.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.